This is how to create collections based on the products you have on your YouTube channel. The first step to take is to get to your YouTube studio. Look at mine here, so tap on it. As you're taken to the studio, you will be on your dashboard. Okay, the next step is to tap on where you have the shopping. Alright, tap there. On this page, you can see 2 collections I have created already, and I want to create more. So the next step is to tap on create collection. On tapping on create collection, the first section expects you to add a cover image. Alright, so you need to have the cover image already existing on your phone, because here I'm using phone, so I'll tap on that spot. Then this will display the pictures you have on your phone, so tap on the one you want to add there. So I'll tap on this. Then you are expected to adjust it to capture the area you want to capture. Okay, then after that, tap on save button, which is at the top right. Okay, the photo has been added. So in the place you have give your collection a title, just tap there and give it a title based on the kind of products you want to list inside. So here I'll call this information technology. Okay, so after giving that a title, drag up and tap where you have described what's in your collection. So I'll tap there and describe the content of this collection. You can see the sample of my description. It says this contains print-on-demand products that demonstrate the need to embrace information technology. All right, in our world of today. So let's add products. For you to add product, tap on add. Then start tapping on the plus sign by the side of the product that sits into the collection. So I will tap on this tech guy, programmer, basic computer knowledge. So you keep tapping on the plus sign on anyone that aligns, okay? Once you're done with the selection of the products, tap on the done button. And the next step is to hit publish. And this new collection has just been published. All right, look at it here. So these are the steps to create as many selections as you want based on the products you have on your store. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.